DJI RS5 Touchscreen Menu. In this video we will show you the touchscreen menu and parameter settings. Home. The home screen displays icons for auto calibration. Balance status. Gimbal follow mode. Follow speed. And Z-axis indicator. The status bar at the top of the touchscreen shows the gimbal connection status and battery level. Auto calibration. The three values indicate the stiffness of the three axes on the auto calibration page. The stiffness of the three axes can be adjusted manually. Tap Start Calibration, and the gimbal will calibrate automatically. You also can press and hold the M button and trigger to start automatic calibration. Balance status. To check the balance status of the gimbal, tilt the gimbal 15 degrees left or right and check the status bar. When the status bar shows green or gray, the gimbal is balanced. Gimbal follow mode. You can use the gimbal mode switch to change between different gimbal modes. FPV mode can be switched to 3D Roll 360 mode or custom mode via the touchscreen. Follow speed. Tap to select follow speed. Users can choose slow, medium, fast, and custom. Tap the icon on the top right of the touchscreen to customize the speed. You can select the sensitivity of gimbal follow. The smooth mode inherits the follow sensitivity of the Ronin series stabilizers, ensuring natural transitions and smooth start and stop movements in your footage. In responsive mode, the gimbal responds more quickly to hand movements during start and stop, providing a more responsive experience. Z-axis indicator. The gimbal screen displays your walking stability in real time. Green indicates optimal balance. The indicator can be disabled in the system settings. Slide down, control center screen. On this interface, you can perform operations such as lock screen settings, Bluetooth connection, and adjusting focus motor endpoints. In the System Settings menu, you can perform gimbal auto check, auto lock settings, and parameter restoration. In addition, the following features are available. Push mode. Enabled to manually control the tilt and pan axis. Orbit follow. When enabled, the gimbal obtains smoother movements after enabling when shooting arc shots. Horizontal calibration. Try horizontal calibration or manual calibration when the gimbal is unlevel or the axis is drifting. Camera control port settings. When enabled, the camera control port provides camera control functionality. Disable selfie. Disable selfie prevents accidentally entering selfie mode and interrupting recording. Auto off. The gimbal will automatically power off after 10 minutes of being locked and inactive. Slide up, gimbal settings screen. On this interface, you can adjust the joystick speed and smoothness and select the settings for the dial, M button, focus motor torque and trigger. Slide left, create screen. Intelligent functions include time-lapse, track, and panorama. Each feature can be configured individually. Slide right, active track. Slide right from the home page to enter the active track interface. If no tracking module is connected, no video input will display on the screen. When the tracking module is connected, composition, active track speed and gestures can be set.